Hello techno viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are got something colorful, stylish and built for gamers and music lovers alike. This multi-light storm wired headphone with mic from iVoomy. So let's unbox it and explore its features, test it out and see if it's really worth adding to your setup. But before starting my video, please do subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so you can never miss any updates from our channel. So let's get started. Here is the box. Right on the front we have a bold product image, you can see, with multi-light RGB effect showcased, and on the side and back you get the key features and key highlights. You can see two 3.5mm jack for calling and receiving, and on the back you can see here some key highlights like powerful bass, cushion ear cups and adjustable handband, volume control. So let's unbox first. Inside the box we get this iVoomy multi-light storm wired headphones with attached cables and mic, and also it has come with USB and 3.5mm of audio jack, you can see, and it has also provided extra 3.5mm of audio mic adapter. Talking about the design and build quality, the design really pops. We got a very beautiful pretty headphone in blue color, as you can see. The ear cups are large over ear style, fully cushioned, as you can see, very soft in touch with soft padding for comfort during long sessions. The headband is adjustable and also padded, here you can see, and we can also adjust and make for a large head. First we will connect it. Connecting is super easy. Just connect this USB cable to your laptop and this 3.5mm of audio jack. Yes, and you can see this RGB lightning on both of the ear cups. We get this beautiful multicolor lights. Wow. Talking about its features and functions, it has a multi-light RGB storm effect. You can see a dynamic lighting for a styling gaming setup, and it has a wired connectivity, 3.5mm of audio jack for universal compatibility with PC, laptop, consoles or any mobile devices. Also USB plug power the RGB without affecting sound. The main motive of this USB plug is to power the RGB without affecting the sound. And this inline control unit you can see here, and here we got the adjustable microphone, very flexible boom mic for clear communication in calls, meetings or multiplayer games. It has very soft cushions and very big cups for passive noise isolation and comfort, and durable cable, and it has stereo sound with bass boost, designed for both immersive music and gaming. Alright, now let's time to test them out. Yeah, first for music, the bass is very punchy, mids are very clear and highs are decent. This stereo separation really helps in giving a full and clear music sound. Yes, now let's test this mic. Hey, mic testing. I am speaking directly from this headphones mic. As you can hear, my voice clarity, I think it is strong and stable. Yeah, I think this mic picks up my voice clearly without much background noise. So now let's see. As you have heard guys, the mic picks up my voice clearly without much background noise. Perfect for voice chats or online classes. I think this mic is very better and stable. This is the stylish RGB lighting, adds a great aesthetics. For the price guys, this will come up to 12 to 1300, and for this price, this iVoomy multi-light storm wired headphone with mic gives you a comfort style and reliable performance whether you are gaming, streaming or enjoying music. If you're looking for an affordable RGB headset that doesn't compromise on build quality, this one's worth checking out. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more unboxing and tip reviews. See you in the next one.